Good morning everyone, and thank you for joining me for this morning stretch, which is designed to just help you wake up nice and gently. So wherever you are, whether you are still in bed or whether you're on your yoga mat, let's come to meet lying down on our backs. And when we get here, let's just bring the knees in towards the chest, tuck the chin slightly in towards the chest so that we feel this length through the back of our neck. And we might start to find a little bit of a rock from side to side. So just rolling over here, each side, massaging out the lower back on your mat. Maybe beginning to focus in on your breath. We might take the hands onto the knees here and start to draw some circles around. Taking a few little circles one way, and then switching the direction, taking a few little circles the other way. Your eyes can be open or closed here, it doesn't matter. Good, and then eventually come back into center. We're going to keep that right knee hugging in towards the chest and then send the left leg long across your mat. The left hand is going to come onto the left hip just to help steady yourself here. And then the right hand on the right knee is going to start to draw some big circles with that right hip. And it doesn't matter how big or how small these circles are. I'm just working on opening up through the hip joints, through the inner thigh. Taking a few of these circles one way. And then just like before, switching the direction, taking a few circles the other way. Good. Eventually bringing that right knee back in towards the chest. The left knee is going to follow. And then on an exhale, let both knees drop over towards the left as we open the right arm to the right hand side of the rib. Maybe let your gaze follow your fingertips. And just hold it here. Trying to keep your back and both shoulder blades grounded. Sending every breath all the way down into your belly, and every exhale, find that release. Take one more breath here. And then bring everything back into center. This time the left knee is going to stay in. We're going to stretch that right leg long across your mat. The right hand comes onto the front of the right hip here just to steady yourself. And then we can start to open that left knee out to the side and draw some big circles with the left hip. And these circles might be smaller, they might be bigger. Just moving in a way that feels good for you this morning. Knowing that we don't have to meet our full range of movement just yet. Giving yourself that little bit of grace because we are only starting to waken up here. And then at some point switch the direction of those circles. We're doing the exact same thing, just taking it in the other way. Keeping the back of the hips grounded. Good, and then eventually bringing that left knee back towards the chest. The right knee will follow. And then on an exhale, the knees drop over to the right hand side as we open the left arm out to the left. Eyes can be open or closed here. Both shoulder blades are grounded. The knees are dropping over one way, under the right. Drop the left shoulder, drop the left ear. Working on deepening the breath. Relaxing into this position. Let's take one more deep breath in. And exhale, let it go. And then we can bring those knees back into center. Go ahead and drop the soles of the feet to the floor here. Open the feet about mat distance apart, maybe just a little bit wider than your hips. And we're going to take the arms up and overhead. And then just windshield wiper those knees from side to side. So both knees are dropping towards the right, and then they're up through center, they're off to the left. And we might make this into a full body movement here, maybe sending the gaze the opposite way from the knees each time. Let's find one more each side here, or just however many you need to even yourself out. And then eventually we can come back in to center. And then take your time here and roll yourself over, coming onto your belly. So we're coming onto the belly, finding our Sphinx pose. So the legs are going to be extended out behind you, tops of the feet are on the floor, those elbows are in underneath the shoulders, the palms of the hands are spread nice and wide. And we're just going to hold it here, just inviting in this little bit of a back bend. So imagine that we have a light shining out from our heart space, and we're shining it forwards. The heart is open, the shoulders are rolled back, and we're slightly pressing the mat away. We'll be here for a couple of breaths. Might feel nice to tuck the chin in towards the chest and maybe take a few little half neck circles here, just rocking the head from side to side. Finding a little bit of an opening through the neck. Good, and then eventually let the head come back to center, back to stillness. We can stay right here for our last breath, or if we want to go a little bit deeper, send the hands back a little bit closer towards your body, and we can start to lift the heart space just a little bit higher. Take one more big breath in, and a full breath out. And then when you're ready, we're going to press the bum back towards the heels. We're going to meet in our child's pose. So we want the toes together, the knees nice and wide. We're taking the forehead down. We're reaching the fingertips forwards. Child's pose. Forehead pressing on the mat. Maybe finding a little bit of a rock on the forehead here, just massaging out the third eye. Good, and then come back in to center. From here, we're going to take that right arm and thread it in underneath the left. Let that right shoulder and the right ear come down to the mat. Keep the hips back towards the heels. Finding ourselves in this thread the needle variation here with the hips back. Relax that right arm, shoulder, and upper back. Good, release and come back through center, and let's send it off to the other side. So the left arm is going to come. Landing in this thread the needle variation. Relaxing your left arm and shoulder and upper back. Last breath here. And then release and come back into center. From here, we're going to come forwards and find yourself on the hands and the knees. The knees can stay nice and wide here if that feels okay. We'll take a few cat-cow breaths. So as we inhale, we drop the belly, point the tailbone up and look forwards. And as we exhale, tuck the chin into the chest and round your spine. Inhale as we come forwards. Exhaling as we roll it under. Just flowing through a couple of breaths like this in your own time. Welcoming that deep stretch through the spine. Good, and then after your next breath, letting yourself come back and in to center. We're going to drop the bum back towards our heels and find ourselves in this kneeling position. The knees can stay wide, or we can bring the knees a little bit closer together. That's up to you, but we're going to find a nice long spine. We're going to take a few big rolls through the shoulders, just sending them up and back. Good, and then eventually come back to center. Take the left hand onto the floor as we reach the right arm up and over. Fingertips reaching away. Sending your breath into the right hand side of your waist. The right hand side of your ribs. Good, release, come through center, go straight to the other side, so reaching the left fingertips up and over. Directing your breath into the waist and the rib cage. And then come back through center. As the hands lift up, the palms come together at the top, and then exhale your hands to your heart. And namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope you are feeling good. If you like this, please give it a like. If you would like to see more, please subscribe, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.